In this video, we're going to get our sequence set up and talk kind of about what that is all about. Our sequence is built here on the timeline, and you can have multiple sequences in a single project. So you can try different edits and different things. So let's talk about what a sequence is. Sequences are just basically the assembly of your video, your audio, edited together. Each sequence has a certain setting. The way I like to get started, and this is great practice for most of your projects in the journalism school, is to just move my best HD clip with video and audio into the timeline. Typically, I get that from my interviews, but definitely you want to avoid bringing things like JPEGs, PDFs, graphics, anything like that in first. I can tell this clip has audio. I've seen a little audio icon here, plus it's my interview, so I know it had clips. So all I need to do to set up my sequence is drag and drop. And now my sequence is set up. And you might have noticed in our project bin, a new file has been created. That's my sequence. If I would like to rename that, I can just right-click it, go to rename, and let's just call this sequence 1. And you can see that name changed up there as well. Now I'm not going to use all 40 minutes of this video off the bat, but we're going to leave it up here just for a bit to show you a few things. So notice in our program playback, you can see all of our video in there. This first set of numbers is where our playhead is in the timeline. This number is the total duration of our clip. And you read this hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. Now, I have just borrowed the settings from this video and audio. I don't need to keep it in the timeline. So I can select this clip and just hit my delete on my keyboard and delete that out. The sequence and its settings still exist. I'm going to save that real quick, but I'm also going to show you that Premiere has been sitting over here auto-saving as I work. So if you get into your work and you forget to save and things crash, remember that you have your autosave. And since we were careful about setting up our Premiere project with our clips, all of those will live in there as well. So you can see that this sequence 1 lives inside my interview bin. You can leave it like that, or if you would like it to be elsewhere, you can just cut and then paste it. And if you wanted to create a bin with all your sequences, you can certainly do that. And then bring your sequence back over here. So I mentioned that this is going to get you through most of your projects in the journalism school. I just want to mention we do have a couple of other videos that show you how to set up new sequences by going to File, New, and Sequence. When would you want to use this method? This is a great thing to do when you are setting up videos for specific sizes, and I'm thinking things like social media videos. So check out our separate video on how to set up sequences for social, and I'll walk you through that over there. In our next video, we're going to dig into the timeline, figure out how we can work over here and what all these things mean.